Hey guys, so today we'll be looking at this. This is the brand new Samsung Galaxy Smart Tag, and we're just going to go straight into looking at it. Today we're not going to be testing it out, but I'll go through some of the specs with you. So let's just go straight into it, guys. So the first thing you can see is Smart Tag, and this is a single pack made by Samsung. It just gives you some examples of what you can use it on. So you can use it with dogs, luggage, keys, and Samsung Galaxy at the side. So let's just open it up. So first thing you're introduced to is the Smart Tag, and again this is the matte black. It does come in a few different colors. And then at the back you get a quick startup guide, and that's about it. So let's get the tag out. Feels really nice on the hands. It comes with a battery what lasts 6 months. So the tag itself uses something called low energy Bluetooth 5.0, and this works with the Samsung app, and is unlike the Tile where it would work with Android and iOS. This works with Android 8.0 and primarily with the Samsung Galaxy phones. This goes up to 120 meters, so you can pick up a signal from up to 120 meters, as well as it's got a little speaker inside which makes a noise if you press on the app. This also has a smart location detection system which works with other owners of Samsung Galaxy phones, and it will pick up a pinger signal from their phone to the device without them reading the actual device itself, which is important for security reasons, and it will allow you to track this a lot further than just 120 meters. But again, you need to be using it on a Samsung app. So that's it, guys. That was just a very quick unboxing of the new Samsung Smart Tag. As you can see, it's quite small, and it's a competitor to the new pucks that are coming out from Apple. So stay tuned, guys. What I'll be doing is setting it up on my phone and testing it and showing you guys how this works. So if you like this video, please like and sub, and peace out.